Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view purchase history on a Google Play Store. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the top. Click on it, and then after this, in here you can click on the payment and subscription. Click on it, and then in here you can click on the budget and history. And now in here you can see purchase history on a Google Play Store. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.